In the early 90s, I turned around a major semiconductor business, and as a reward to myself, I went out and purchased this car. I was 47 when I bought the car, and I fell in love with it instantly. I had a situation where I could no longer drive, and I had to sell off the cars. That is probably my biggest passion. It kills me to sell off all the cars, but life has a way of giving you a different twist.
When we talked to him on the phone, it's just like, it tugs at his heart. And you could hear that on the phone, that this was such an important part of his history with his family too. And that's part of the story of the car. And that's what preservation is all about.
When you have achievements and you reward yourself because of those achievements, it wraps up into your total lifestyle. And Travis was part of that Porsche family.
There's no other way to put it, but that was one of the most emotional days of my life, selling that car.
For this year's Porsche Restoration Challenge, we're preserving a 1993 911 C2.
When they built these cars, they were not meant to be museum pieces. Preservation is celebrating the ownership of the car and the history of the owner and the car together over years and miles.
In doing the Porsche Restoration Challenge, we've learned as a team to go through the cars and know how to service them properly, and with the training that we're able to get, we can dig more deep into the cars.
It's so much easier to replace something as opposed to, well, how do we bring this back with the original component? Sometimes the level of effort in something that almost would never be noticed is exactly the same as something that would involve repainting an entire body.
I think every 911 is a special car. Every 911 is a car that you can drive every day with complete comfort and dependability, and then you can race it on the weekends, and you just feel good behind the wheel.